guys, welcome back to my channel. I'm Lisa, and if you're new here, I am so happy to see you. Before we get started with today's video, I just want to take a moment to ask you to please subscribe. Hit that subscribe button for me and give the video a thumbs up. Today we're going to get started with a huge unboxing from ThredUp, and this video is not sponsored. Here is the first packet, and I don't know what's in these. Like I said, I just am opening them now. Okay, and here is it's wrapped up. Got the little sticker. Okay. I try to be careful because I reuse the tissue paper too. Oh my gosh, how adorable. Okay, so they put their little ThredUp tag, and these can be used in a lot of ways, which we'll be covering on my channel as we go on time. How adorable is this little hat? Oh my gosh. It's got a little flower on it. It's super cute. Now what I'm doing is the unboxing today, and then I'll come back in a couple of days and do the styling, because with my CRPS I just can't do them all in one day. Another adorable little hat. I just love these. Oh my gosh. Oh yay. Okay, so these are some leggings, just plain black leggings. They still have the tag on them, guys. These are brand new, under $10. Super excited. Oh my gosh, and look at this. Some green pants, and they have elephants on them. Can you stand it? Oh my gosh. And I got, look how cute. And again, everything was under $10 except for one thing. These are Lily Pulitzer, so it is a name brand. And I just think they're adorable. Okay, so that was the first package. I set my reusable tissue paper over here. Now let's go to the second package. Oh, this is so exciting. It's like Christmas. And like I said, I spent $156 and I got lots of products. Okay. And again, nice packaging. And I didn't see any stains. Another tag and more tissue paper. I'm not seeing any stains, rips, or anything. Oh, super cute. This is a vest. A sweater, pullover sweater vest that has a, what do you call those? Anyway, a high collar, a cow neck, turtleneck. Isn't it cute? And you know what? These guys are coming back in style. This is the style now. Remember when we were in 80s high school and we wore the sweater vest all the time over our shirts? Guess what? They're back. This one's super cute. And I'm not a big fan of turtlenecks, but we'll see how this works out. And I did order it. I just might not have noticed the turtleneck at the beginning. But that's okay, because we'll try it. And the good thing about ThredUp too is if you get something and maybe it doesn't fit or you don't like it, you can order a resale box from them and send it and sell it. So, okay. Next package. All their packaging is beautiful, and I'm just gonna slip it out. Okay, this is a great black and white flannel shirt. But I don't know if you can see, it's got a little sparkle in it. How pretty is that? Can you see it? I don't know if you can see it. I'll try to get an up-close picture in a little bit. Oh, there you go. I think you can see it there. But it's got a gold thread running all through it. So you get that warm, rustic look, but it's got a little bling to it. I love it. Love it, love it, love it. And you know now, buffalo plaid, which is black and white plaid, is popular this year. again, for Christmas. So, hey, should wear some buffalo plaid, right? Anyway, this is going to be so cute. And like I said, I had somebody reach out to me about, you know, they wanted to dress up a little more. Maybe something for going to appointments or something going to eat. So, yeah. Okay, now we've done all the envelope packages. We're going to do boxes next. Look, I didn't even like pre-un these up, like untape these. I want you to see that they are truly, truly, truly new, unopened, unboxed. I'm so excited. What's in here? Okay. Go. And the boxes are so cute too with the green dots. Like I said, this is not sponsored. These are my opinion, my real life opinions as I'm getting this stuff. And it's because you requested it. So, let's see here. Alright. Oh, how cute. This is a simple little black dress. And it is a strap. You know, there's not a lot. For winter, you might be saying, why in the heck did you order that? I've got some tricks I'm going to show you. So cute. And this was under $10. The little black dress everybody needs. This sweater is absolutely gorgeous. And it's kind of got that old-timey feel because it's got the zipper in the back. It's super, super soft. It's a Karen Scott. I don't know. It's so cute, though. Okay. Now, this is just your typical white button-up shirt because guess what? Remember when we used to wear these under everything, put them under a sweater, have the collar poking out, the sleeves poking out? That's coming back again, of course, because styles always come back around. Look how cute. That's perfect. And then a pair of just plain army green type pants. Cute, cute, cute. Perfect. I'm very pleased. Everything's very clean. Everything's very, you know, no stains. Okay, let's do this box next. Oh, fun. Fun, fun. Look at this hat. Fun. Because it's important to do some fun pieces. Gives you something different. So, yay. Look how cute. Okay. Got a little smush, but we can live with that. Now, here is my splurge. And it was under $30. It is so, so soft. Don't you just, oh my gosh, don't you just love it? There's a hood. Oh, it is so soft. It's going to be amazing. I'm in love. I'm in love. I'm going to wear that. Oh, and this away. And then look at this. It is so cute. Just a small little shirt to wear under. And it's actually llamas. Can you stand it? Oh my gosh. Llama, llama, llamas. And our last box. Like I said, this is not sponsored. And I'm doing this because a few of you DM'd me and said, hey, I love the sweatshirts. I love being comfortable, but sometimes I do want to get dressed up if I'm having a great day. And can you give me some ideas to do that through thrifted clothing? So that's what this Well, this video is the unboxing, but that's what inspired it. And we will have the styling part of the video in a few days. Oops. Okay. Oh, this is new with tags. And look, it is a super cute women's blazer. It's kind of based on a man's, you know. It has it's brown color and it has like a black and a burgundy stripe in it. It's new with tags. With tags. And I got it to go with these gorgeous leather pants. Because yes, leather is super trendy right now. These are so cute. They're soft. I think they'll be just fine to wear because I do have a sensitivity issue with my skin, but I think these will be perfect. I can wear them like that out at night, or if it's maybe to a doctor's appointment during the day. I got some black corduroys. Look at those, and they are in great shape, guys. Perfect shape, beautiful color. And again, so I have two different looks using the same jacket, which is great. That's what you want. You want pieces that you can use multiples. You could also pair it with a light colored skirt, like a khaki skirt. So, amazing. These pants are amazing. And I can't wait to try these on. And the last thing we have is a blue flannel shirt that is going to be super cute. Hey guys, I also wanted to share some two other shirts that I bought from ThredUp that weren't in this haul, but I'm going to use them to style some of these clothes, so I wanted to go ahead and share them. This is an adorable avocado sweatshirt that I got from ThredUp. It was brand new, still had the tags on. Isn't that cute? And this sweater, because I live in Southern California, right near Disneyland, absolutely adore this sweater. And I'm going to use it to style. It is a Disney sponsored sweater as well. So I just thought it was super cute. And like I said, again, I'm going to use it to style with some of this. So I wanted to share it. And I just got it like maybe 3 weeks ago. So I want to talk to you a little bit about an incident with ThredUp. Now, I know right now I don't hold shipping against anybody, right? Because it's out of everybody's control, whether FedEx, USPS, or UPS has enough people working, what the weather's doing, delaying shipments, all that. So if the product is in one of the shipper's hands, then I don't judge the company it's coming from, obviously. But what happened with ThredUp was kind of interesting because if you remember from my Good Fair haul, it was so easy, so simple. I mean, they shipped, I got it, no problems whatsoever. So with ThredUp, I had one order because they broke it up into different, you know, this one's coming from this place, this one, okay. And I had one order coming from Georgia. And it kept saying pending, pending, pending. So I went to do customer service, you know, and ask them, hey, what's the deal? Because everything else had already shipped. And you have to, if you don't know and you use ThredUp for the first time, if you have any issue, you have to contact customer service through Twitter, which I can see for some populations maybe that are not great on the whole internet thing. Yes, there's still people out there like that. That might be a big turnoff for them, especially in the maybe chronic pain community. I know there is a excuse me, huge population on Twitter, chronic pain population on Twitter, but there's also a huge population not on Twitter, and so that might be a big turnoff. So that's one thing. Well, anyway, I messaged them, and it took them, I had to send like 3 messages. In fact, I'll post a message somewhere. And they said, oh, it's shipped. And I'm like, no, this one hasn't shipped. It says pending. And again, it took a little while, and they're like, oh, well, we're going to have to look into it. We'll get back to you. Okay, fine. Look into it. Let me know. A couple of days passed. I still didn't hear anything. I had to message them again. And then they messaged me back, and I will share that email or message with you too. And they said, oh, well, what's happened is your package has shipped, but we don't know when or with what carrier. We don't have a tracking number for you. It's not in our system. We just know it's gone. Okay. What am I supposed to do? Well, wait a few days, and if it doesn't show up, let us know. Wait a week, and if it doesn't show up, let us know. Okay. Well, it did get here, but the problem was they didn't know when it shipped. They didn't know how it shipped. And they're just telling me to wait. Well, I did spend hard-earned money, and the rest of their stuff had shipped fine. I did have some delays with shipping, but again, that's not ThredUp's fault. But this not knowing when my product shipped, not having a tracking number, that was their fault. And they weren't very helpful. Like, I had to message them several times to even get a response to get this going the first time. So I will say, as far as customer service goes for ThredUp, it's kind of a big F, honestly. Now, the products I love, and I did get everything, but their overall customer service response, ease of contacting them. I mean, I was already on tour, so it was easy for me, but for somebody who wasn't, it would be difficult. And their response and getting them to respond to me. So I would have to say customer service on that level was an F. So anyway, sorry. But the clothes are great, and we'll do a style video coming soon. So stay tuned. That video will be up in a couple of days.